If you ever need to quickly relaunch Google Chrome without losing your open tabs, this is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you the simple Chrome restart shortcut that lets you refresh the browser while keeping everything you have open. This is really useful if Chrome is running a little slow, if you want to apply a browser update, or if you just need a quick relaunch without manually closing every tab. And before we begin, if this tip helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you already have the tabs open that you want to keep. Now go up to the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where you normally type a website or search term. In that address bar, type Chrome//restart exactly as shown. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will immediately restart itself. It may close for a moment and then reopen automatically. The best part is that your tabs should come back after the relaunch, so you do not have to open everything again one by one. This makes it a super handy trick for troubleshooting, refreshing the browser, or just giving Chrome a clean restart while saving time. If Chrome has been acting up, this can often help reset things without much effort. And if you use Chrome every day, this is one of those small shortcuts that can save you a lot of frustration. So once again, the command is Chrome//restart. Just type it into the address bar and press Enter. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to relaunch Google Chrome the easy way while keeping your tabs open. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.